In the last class, we learned A major scale and relative minor F sharp minor scale 3 sharp. Next, we are going to learn E major scale A, B, C, D, E from 8 to 5th note. E, A, B, C, D, E. E major scale. E major scale has 4 sharps. Left hand fingering 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Next, D sharp minor chord. Notes D sharp, F sharp and A sharp. Next, subdominant G sharp minor. G sharp, B, D sharp. Next, dominant A sharp minor. A sharp, C sharp and E sharp. D sharp minor. D sharp minor, G sharp minor, A sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. This is the root of B major. 5 sharps. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. B major chord. Notes in B major chord. B, D sharp major, F sharp major, F sharp seventh, B major. This is B major scale. B major 3/4 arpeggio. This is B major.